big ego. Yeah, call me a prick, that's fine, I'm still gonna be here cause the music pays. Every day get a little bit more when I'm on tour, never have a boring moment. For the drinks and the plane, now think I'm runner, then gotta get a beer on my hotel. All swell, off to the venue with a big crowd waiting loud as hell. Up on the stage on the front row smells, then they're grabbing at the barrier, I looked in jail. I live for these moments of madness, and not for every second standard. It's the way of life, and we're living here, running around like Jesse J in the band.